Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of a Wednesday. Yes, it's already Wednesday, February the 17th, 2021. We have here three regular Sudokus. Sudoku Binary, Sudoku Medium, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 8 extra Sudokus. But first, we will solve these 3 regular Sudokus. Alright. And this one will be a number 2339. Alright. 2339. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4, no, apologies, 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, Dano. Double O, one. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Double O, one. Double O, one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, Dano. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, Dano. Double O, one, then 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, one, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Then. Double one, then O. Double O, one, then 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, one, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Double O, one, then 1. Double O, one, then 1. Double one, O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Alright. Yeah. What is the following step? 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the fifth one, we have here 4 ones. The fifth one I cannot place it there because otherwise we will have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, those boxes contains an O and a 1. Alright. That means 1, 2 O's, 3 O's, 4 O's, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are 1s. Right, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's, and between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. Okay. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, an O and a 1. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Let me count. 1, 2. Between 2 O's comes a 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s in this column. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, the 5th O. So the rest are 1s. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 8 minutes. Alright. Great binary without any comparing. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later in a minute with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.